Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable 8K video recording on your DJI Osmo Action 6. To do that, you will need to click on this little button at the bottom, which shows some numbers, that is resolution and the frame rate. Now let's set the resolution. As you can see, it is 8K 16:9, and the FPS can be set to 24, 25, or 30, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.